learn German with Priya. So today we are going to learn das alphabets, which means the letters in the German language. Okay, and das means the. So letter A sounds a, apple, a. Letter B sounds B, ball, ball means ball. Letter C sounds say, couch means sofa. Letter D sounds day, Deutschland is another name for Germany. Letter E sounds A, elephant, elephant means elephant. Letter F sounds same as in English, F, fish, fish. Letter G sounds gay, guitarro, Letter H sounds house. Letter I sounds E, information means information. Letter J sounds ya or yaw. It depends upon the verb which follows it. So letter J sounds ya or yaw. Junge, junge means boy. K sounds ka, cafe, cafe means coffee. Letter L sounds same as in English, L, lampe. The phonetic sound of the letter L is same as in English, L, but while pronouncing it in a sentence or with a word, it is pronounced as lo. So L sounds same as in English, L, lampo means a lamp. Letter M sounds same as in English, M, music means music. Letter N sounds same as in English, N, nase means nose. O sounds oor means ear. P sounds P, park. Letter Q sounds khu, 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 quiz, khu, quiz. R sounds air, 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 regen, regen, regen means rain. S sounds same as in English, S. That is the phonetic sound of the letter S is same as in English S, but while pronouncing it we say it as sonne, like in sonne. So letter S sounds S as phonetic, but in a sentence or in a words it is pronounced as sonne. Sonne means sun. T sounds te, te, tisch, tisch. Tisch means table. U sounds oo, umbrella, umbrella. V sounds fa or fo according to the verb which follows it. V sounds fa or fo. For example, in violin, 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 which means violin. W sounds way, 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 watermelon, watermelon, which means watermelon. X sounds X, X, xylophone, xylophone. Y sounds ypsilon. That is the phonetic sound of Y, but pronouncing it with a word or with other letters we pronounce it as y. So phonetic sound of the letter Y is ypsilon, but while pronouncing it we pronounce it like y in yoga, yoga. Z sounds set, 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 like in zebra, zebra, zebra. Now we have some additional 4 letters in German alphabets which are known as umlauts. So these letters have 2 dots above them. Okay, and these umlauts are A umlaut, Y umlaut and O umlaut, and one which is seen as S but it is not S. Okay, so there are 4 umlauts which are followed by 2 dots above them except the last one. So A umlaut sounds A, A, like in bear, bear, bear. O umlaut sounds ya, ya, like in yawl, yawl, yawl means oil. U umlaut sounds same as in English U, U, like in fumph, fumph. Fumph is a number name of 5, and this last one which looks like S, which looks like B but it is not B. Okay, this letter is called as S, or it is also called as sharp S. So when it comes in a letter we pronounce it as a sharp S, like in foos, foos. Fus. Fus means foot. Okay, so there are 4 umlauts: A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut, and 1 sharp S. And every umlaut is followed by 2 dots above them except the sharp S. I hope you all liked this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my channel to get notified when I upload a new video. If you have any doubts, please freely ask in the comment section. Thank you.